देखा गोवा का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोला, मैंने देखा छत्तीसगढ़ का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोला, वो लोगों के 10 मिनट 12 मिनट बोल दिया। कैमरा पीछे बोलने को 5 मिनट पूरे करना only one from opposition side, only I am presenting here. I am attending this meeting because of a greater interest that we know that cooperative federalism is strong, standing. You got political bias, you are not giving the proper attention to different states, even budget also, this political bias budget. You give special attention to some state, I don't have any problem. But why don't you, आपने क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया है? मैंने बोला इसको आपको रिव्यू करना चाहिए। उसके बाद मैंने बोला देखिए मैं हर स्टेट के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, जब आप तो डायरेक्शन देता है, काम तो हम करते हैं। एक प्लानिंग कमीशन का जो हम काम करते थे उसको प्लानिंग करता था स्टेट के लिए। ये नीति आयोग को तो कोई फाइनेंशियल पावर नहीं है, वो कैसे करेंगे? उसको फाइनेंशियल पावर दीजिए, ये प्लानिंग कमीशन को वापस ले आइए। मैं और एक बात बोला, देखिए मेरे स्टेट के लिए भी आपको कहना है कि आप 3 साल से हमारा 100 दिन का काम बंद करके रखा, अब आवास योजना बंद करके रखा, प्रधानमंत्री योजना बंद करके रखा, अब रूरल रोड बंद करके रखा। ऐसे कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं चलते है। आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करना चाहिए। इफ यू डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन योर पार्टी टू अदर पार्टी, then how the country will run? When you are in power, you have to take care for all. You cannot discriminate between boys and girls. मैंने जो बोलना एक ने बोला है, उसका बाद में बस मैं माइक स्टॉप कर दिया।
आप छोड़कर आ रहे बीच में,
हम
नाराजगी की वजह से।
देखिए मैं बोलने चाहते थे थोड़ा बात, लेकिन मेरे को बोलने के लिए वो 5 मिनट में स्टॉप कर दिया। जब हमारा से बहुत आगे जो बोला है 5 जन, वो लोगों ने कोई 20 मिनट बोला, कोई 15 मिनट बोला, कोई 10 मिनट बोला, और अपोजिशन का ओर से मैं अकेला आया, लेकिन तब भी मेरे को 5 मिनट में स्टॉप कर दिया। दिस इज इंसल्टेशन। आई विल नॉट अटेंड एनी मीटिंग फर्दर।
दीदी आपने के बेटे
नजर आ रही है कि उन्हें सिर्फ 5 मिनट बोलने का वक्त दिया गया और उसके बाद वो मीटिंग छोड़कर बाहर आ चुकी है।
West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, who attended the meeting, but it seems like she has stepped out of the meeting now, and she's saying that the opposition, she was the only one representing the opposition, not being allowed to speak. Let's listen into what Mamata Banerjee is saying.
Yes.
अरे वो बांग्ला में बोल रहे हैं यार, क्या
এবং বাংলার স্বার্থে রাজ্যগুলোর স্বার্থে আজকে এসেছি, একা অপোজিশনের কেউ আসেনি। কিন্তু আপনাদের পরিষ্কারভাবে বলছি, আপনারা বাজেটে আমাদের বঞ্চনা করেছেন, আপনারা বাংলার সমস্ত উন্নয়নের প্রজেক্ট বন্ধ করে দিয়েছেন, আপনারা বিরোধী দলের কোনো রাজ্যকে কোনো সুযোগ দেন না, এবং আপনারা আমাদের 3 বছর ধরে 100 দিনের কাজ বন্ধ, প্রধানমন্ত্রী আবাস যোজনা বন্ধ, রুরাল রোড যোজনা বন্ধ, সমস্ত কিছু বন্ধ করে রেখেছেন, এমনকি ফুড সাবসিডি পর্যন্ত দেননি। আমরা 1,71,000 কোটি টাকা পাই লাস্ট ইয়ার পর্যন্ত।
This was the 9th meeting that took place at the Niti Aayog. In the Niti Aayog meeting, the agenda was to speak about what would be how Viksit Bharat would be achieved by the year 2047. So that roadmap was to be laid in this very crucial Niti Aayog meeting, and also drinking water, quality, accessibility were some of the things which were being discussed. Electricity was also one of the agendas that was being discussed. The theme was ease of living. So this was the theme of the Niti Aayog meeting that took place today in the national capital. It is being chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. My colleague Amit is now joining me on the story. Amit, the opposition largely sticking together, collectively boycotting the Niti Aayog meeting. Very clearly, this is showing that the relationship between the government and the opposition is deteriorating with each passing day.
you these visuals for our viewers. Mamata Banerjee's carcade is leaving the President's house. Mamata Banerjee has walked out of the Niti Aayog meeting. This is big breaking. We had told our viewers on India Today as to what is the roadmap and plan for Mamata Banerjee, how she's going to raise the voice for India Alliance inside the Niti Aayog meeting, how she will demand that Niti Aayog should be scrapped and Planning Commission should be brought back, and that's what has happened inside the Niti Aayog meeting. The big breaking of this moment is that Mamata Banerjee, after speaking in the Niti Aayog meeting, has walked out of that meeting. The meeting is still going on. The chief ministers of other NDA ruled states are still inside, but Mamata Banerjee was the only chief minister from the India Alliance ruled states, India Alliance governed states. She came out and she had said very categorically that, she spoke for 5 minutes inside this particular meeting and she was not allowed to speak any further more than 5 minutes. And she also referred that other chief ministers who spoke before her, they had spoken at length for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but she was stopped, asked to stop at 5 minutes itself, and this was an insult that was hurled at her, and that is why she decided to walk out of the Niti Aayog meeting. But what has happened inside that meeting? As per Mamata Banerjee, she demanded that Niti Aayog should be scrapped, saying that Niti Aayog does not have any financial powers. It does not have any consultation powers. The states are not being consulted. The states are being discriminated. And she also raised the issue of discriminatory budget that is being alleged by the India Alliance parties. And she has said it inside the Niti Aayog meeting that the budget that was tabled is discriminatory. You have done financial discrimination with the India Alliance, states. That's what Mamata Banerjee had said, and she has also pissed for bringing back of Planning Commission in the Niti Aayog meeting. She's saying that in the Planning Commission regime, the states had a say. They had a coordination, consultation process was there. There was a structure, there was an infrastructure that was created through the Niti Aayog Planning Commission regime, and the Niti Aayog has no powers, no financial mandate. And what is the point of having such a forum where the states are not being consulted? And it is to be noted, Aishwarya, that Mamata Banerjee said that she is the only chief minister from the opposition state who was part of that Niti Aayog meeting. She had decided to go there because she thought that it is the right way to speak on behalf of the India Alliance states, because other states are not there. For instance, states such as Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or any India Alliance governed state had stated it very clear that they're going to boycott the meeting because of the discriminatory budget that was tabled. Hemant Soren, however, was supposed to come to the meeting. He had made it very clear, raising a question mark on the timing of the meeting, saying that the budget has been already tabled. What is the point of calling Niti Aayog meeting after the budget has been tabled? But yes, Mamata Banerjee was kept on saying that Hemant Soren will come. He was not there. So possibly she was wanting to have more time to speak on behalf of India Alliance states. Back to you.
Amit, stay on with me. Our colleague Shreya is also joining me on the broadcast. But before that, let's listen in to what the Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal said when she stepped out of the Niti Aayog meeting.
चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी ने बोला, उसको 20 मिनट बोलने दिया। असम का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोला, मैंने देखा गोवा का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोला, मैंने देखा छत्तीसगढ़ का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोला। वो लोगों के 10 मिनट 12 मिनट बोलने दिया, मेरे को बोलने का 5 मिनट होने का नाते स्टॉप कर दिया। ऐसे किसी only one from opposition side, only I am presenting here. I am attending this meeting because of the greater interest that we know that cooperative federalism should be strong, strengthened. You are political bias, you are not giving the proper attention to different states. Even budget also, this political bias budget. You give special attention to some state, I don't have any problem. But why don't you, आपने क्यों discriminate किया है? मैंने बोला इसको आपको रिव्यू करना चाहिए। उस वक्त में मैंने बोला देखिए मैं हर स्टेट के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। जब आप तो डायरेक्शन देता है, काम तो हम करते हैं। एक प्लानिंग कमीशन का जो हम काम करते थे, उसको प्लानिंग करता था स्टेट के लिए। एक नीति आयोग को तो कोई फाइनेंशियल पावर नहीं है, वो कैसे करेंगे? उसको फाइनेंशियल पावर दीजिए, नहीं तो प्लानिंग कमीशन को वापस ले आइए। मैं और एक बात बोला, देखिए मेरे स्टेट के लिए भी आपको कहना है कि आप 3 साल से हमारा 100 दिन का काम बंद करके रखा, अब आवास योजना बंद करके रखा, प्रधानमंत्री योजना बंद करके रखा, अब रूरल रोड बंद करके रखा। ऐसे कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं चलते है।